Hello and welcome. My name is Yoko and I'm a Shodo, the Japanese calligraphy instructor. I started learning Shodo when I was a child and I've continued practicing it ever since. Throughout Shodo, I would like to share the traditional Japanese culture with you. First, you will choose your favorite kanji character. And then you're practicing it on washi traditional Japanese paper. Finally, you're going to create your artwork on the shikishi cardboard. You can take your artwork home as a special souvenir. You will use a brand new brush for your experience and you can take this home as well. I hope the Shodo experience becomes one of your special memories of Japan. Enjoy your Shodo